Scottsdale, Arizona, is known for its beautiful desert landscapes, luxurious homes, and vibrant community. Homeowners in this area are always looking for ways to improve the aesthetic and energy efficiency of their homes, and one of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing custom windows. Custom windows not only enhance the overall look of your property but also offer practical benefits that can save you money and improve your living environment. In this complete guide, we will walk you through everything you need to know about upgrading your Scottsdale home with custom windows. Why choose custom windows? Custom windows are designed and crafted specifically for your home's unique dimensions, style, and functional needs. Unlike standard windows, which come in predetermined sizes and designs, custom windows offer flexibility in terms of both aesthetics and performance. For Scottsdale homeowners, custom windows provide several benefits. Personalized design: you can select from a wide variety of shapes, sizes, materials, and finishes to match the architecture of your home. Improved energy efficiency: custom windows are tailored to the specific climate of Scottsdale, offering superior insulation and energy-saving features. Enhanced curb appeal: the right windows can significantly enhance the exterior appearance of your home, boosting its curb appeal and market value. Increased comfort: custom windows are better at keeping out Scottsdale's intense heat while allowing you to enjoy natural light and stunning views. Types of custom windows for Scottsdale homes: choosing the right type of custom windows is crucial for achieving the best results. Here are some popular window styles that Scottsdale homeowners often consider. Casement windows: these windows open outward with the turn of a handle, offering excellent ventilation and energy efficiency. They are ideal for homes that require strong weatherproofing in Scottsdale's hot climate. Double-hung windows: a classic option. Double-hung windows have two operable sashes that slide up and down. They offer versatility in terms of ventilation and are easy to clean. Picture windows: if you want to maximize your views of Scottsdale's beautiful landscape, picture windows are a great choice. While they don't open, they provide expansive, unobstructed views and allow for plenty of natural light. Bay and bow windows: these windows extend outward from your home, creating extra interior space and providing panoramic views. They are an elegant choice that can also enhance your home's curb appeal. Awning windows: these windows are hinged at the top and open outward, making them perfect for ventilation even during light rain. They are commonly installed above other windows for added airflow. Energy efficiency: a must for Scottsdale homes. One of the biggest advantages of custom windows is the ability to optimize them for energy efficiency, which is especially important in Scottsdale's desert climate. During the long, hot summers, homes can easily lose cool air through inefficient windows, leading to higher energy bills. Custom windows can be designed with specific features to combat this issue. Low E glass: low emissivity. Low E glass is coated with a microscopic layer of metal that reflects heat while allowing light to pass through. This feature helps keep your home cooler in the summer by reducing the amount of heat entering through your windows. Double or triple glazing: multi-pane windows with gas fills, such as argon or krypton, between the panes provide superior insulation. Double or triple pane windows are essential for reducing heat transfer in Scottsdale's extreme temperatures. UV protection: custom windows can be designed to block harmful UV rays, protecting your furniture, floors, and artwork from fading under Scottsdale's intense sun. Choosing the right materials: selecting the right materials for your custom windows will ensure durability and long-lasting performance. Common materials include vinyl, a popular and cost-effective option. Vinyl windows offer good insulation and low maintenance. They are also resistant to Scottsdale's extreme heat and won't warp or crack over time. Wood. Wood windows offer a classic, timeless look, but they require regular maintenance in Scottsdale's climate. However, wood-clad options can give you the best of both worlds by combining wood's beauty with an exterior material like aluminum or fiberglass for durability. Fiberglass. Known for its strength and longevity, fiberglass windows are a great option for Scottsdale homeowners. They can withstand the desert heat without expanding or contracting, making them a reliable, low-maintenance choice. Working with professional installers to get the most out of your custom windows: it's crucial to work with professional installers who understand Scottsdale's unique climate and architectural styles. A trusted local contractor will help guide you through the process, from selecting the right window designs to ensuring a flawless installation. They will also make sure your custom windows are properly sealed and insulated to prevent air leaks and maximize energy savings. The long-term value of custom windows. Investing in custom windows for your Scottsdale home offers long-term value. Not only do they enhance the beauty and comfort of your living space, but they also increase your home's resale value. According to real estate experts, new windows are one of the best home improvements in terms of return on investment, especially in high-end markets like Scottsdale. Custom windows are an excellent way to elevate your Scottsdale home, providing a perfect balance of beauty, functionality, and energy efficiency. Whether you're looking to improve your home's aesthetic appeal, reduce energy costs, or enhance comfort, custom windows offer a tailored solution to meet your needs. By selecting the right window style, materials, and energy-efficient features, and partnering with a trusted installer, you can transform your Scottsdale home into a stylish, comfortable oasis.